Embahador di Merca para Reino holandês está de visita arriba nas islas, aqui em conexão com uma série de visitas do Reino holandês. Ela conhece a isla de maneira corsosa em Maart e Sint Eustáquio e agora Aruba também. Durante as visitas, ela topa com vários ministros na Bestuurs Kantoor, mas também com o nosso ministro-presidente Eyman.
Covered everything that we wanted to talk about involving relations between the United States and Aruba, and between the United States and the other Caribbean, Dutch Caribbean countries. But it was, we talked about, obviously, tourism, we talked about law enforcement, we talked about other issues that are involved in helping American tourists and American businesses and American visitors, and the great cooperation that we enjoy between our two countries. One of the things we're working on is improving access of Aruban students to American higher education. We, of course, we're very, very proud of the higher education that we have in the United States, and we like to welcome an international student body. And so we're always trying to find ways to attract students from around the world, including Aruba. So we talked about ways, and I talked not only with the Prime Minister, but with several other ministers about ways that we can improve accessibility and affordability for students coming from Aruba to American colleges and universities.